in last EVS class? Yes, about sense organs. Yes, how many sense organs do you have? Yes, we have 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. Which are they? Yes, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Once again, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Eyes to see, eyes to see, ears to hear. Eyes to see, ears to hear. Okay, these 2 sense organs we have discussed already, right? Yes, eyes help us to see, ears help us to hear. Ears help us to hear. Yes, what's the spelling of eyes? Say, yes, E, Y, E, Y, E, S. Eyes. What's the spelling of eyes? E, Y, E, S. What's the spelling of eyes? E, Y, E, S. Okay. What's the spelling of ears? Yes. E, A, R, S. What's the spelling of ears? E, A, R, S. What's the spelling of ears? E, A, R, S. Okay. Which sense organs help us to listen a story? Do you listen a story with your eyes? No. With your ears. Listen the stories and rhyme with our ears. Okay. Let's listen a story. Ma'am Febina also join us. Okay.
Hi, good morning my dear children. How are you all? Today I am here with a good story. Okay, I will tell a super story. Do you like stories? Do you like stories? Yes, we all like stories, right? Okay, let's start. Story is Party Party, Where Are You? What is the name of the story? What is the name of the story? Party Party, Where Are You? This is a story of 3 friends. 3 friends. How many friends? 3 friends. Who all are there in the story? Who all are there? Sati the horse and Natty the tiger and Party the bear. Okay, let me read the story. One fine morning, Sati the horse and Natty the tiger woke up to find that their friend Party the bear was missing. They were worried. Yes, it was a fine morning. Means it was a nice morning. The horse, what is his name? Sati. And the tiger, Natty. Sati and Natty woke up to find that their friend, who is their friend? The bear. What is the name of the bear? Party. Party was missing. They were worried. What is worried? They were very sad. They were worried. They looked here and there. They looked around and called out. They looked around and called out. Party, Party, where are you? Party, Party, where are you? They called out. They called loudly. Party, Party, where are you? They were very sad. They both set off to find their friend. After a while, they saw a river. They both, who all are there? Sati and Natty started journey to find their friend Party. Okay. After a while, they saw a river. Splish, splosh, splish, splosh. They crossed the river. They crossed the river and called out, Party, Party, where are you? Party, Party, where are you? They called out. Loudly they called. A little further down, they saw a grassland. What is grassland? What is grassland? Yes, the place which is having more grass. Okay. Sarak, 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 sarak. The grass rustled as they walked through it. The grass made a soft sound when they were walking. Okay. They looked around and told. They looked around and called out, "Party, party, where are you? Party, party, where are you?" They called out. Soon they saw a thick, dark forest. They saw a forest. What is forest? Yes, forest means the place which is having more trees and animals also, right? Hoo, hoo, hoo. The wind whistled as they walked through the forest. The wind made a sound. What was the sound? Hoo, hoo, hoo. Okay. They huddled up close to each other as they were scared. They huddled up close to each other as they were scared. When in the forest, when the wind made the sound, they were scared. They called out, "Party, party, where are you? Party, party, where are you?" They called out. But there was no party. They did not find their friends' party. Okay. They kept going and saw a huge waterfall. What they saw? They saw a huge waterfall. What is waterfall? Yes, waterfall. Huge waterfall means big waterfall. Okay, they saw a big waterfall. Shurr, 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 shurr. The water made a gushing sound as it fell on the rocks. From that waterfall, when the water is falling down, the water made a super good sound. Okay. Again they called out, "Party, party, where are you? Party, party, where are you?" They called out. But there was no answer. And they went over a bridge. They went over a bridge. What is bridge? What is bridge? Yes, bridge. Have you seen the bridge? Yes, a path over a path across the river, right? They were scared. They were scared. They got frightened. Yes, they were frightened. Why? Yes, the bridge creaked as they walked over it. How? Creak, 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 creak. The bridge creaked. So they were scared. Yes. They held on to each other as they called out. They held down each other and called out, "Party, party, where are you? Party, party, where are you?" But that time also there was no answer. Again they were searching party. Soon it began to rain. It began to rain. Pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter. They played in the rain. Do you like to play in the rain? Yes, we all like to play, right? So they Natty and Sati also played in the rain. The rain got them all wet. They were wet after rain. They were wet. They shook their fur to dry off. They shook their fur to dry off. They tried to dry their fur. Okay. And together called out. And they tried to shook their fur. They tried to dry their far. And together they called out, "Party, party, where are you? Party, party, where are you?" They called loudly. The ground got all slushy and muddy through the pouring rain. The ground everywhere after rain, the ground was slushy and muddy. Chatak, patak, chatak, patak, chatak, patak. Yes, they plodded through the slippery mud. They walked slowly. Chatak, patak, chatak, patak. They plodded through the slippery mud and together called, "Party, party, where are you? Party, party, where are you?" They called out. And next, what happened? Just then, they saw a shadow under a huge tree. After that, they saw a huge tree. There, they saw, huge tree means what? Huge. Yes, big. They saw a big tree. There, they saw a shadow. They saw a shadow under that huge tree. It looked so much like party. It looked so much like party. They ran towards it. They ran towards it. It was indeed party. Yes, it was party. What our party was doing, you know? Yes, let's read. "Who was eating lots of honey?" "Growl," said the bear. Oh, our party was sitting there under that huge tree, and what he was doing? Yes, eating and enjoying honey. Growl. He was eating honey. Then Party looked the Sati and Natty. Party asked, "Why do you two look out of the breaths? Why do you two look out of breaths? Why you are looking at me like this?" Party asked. Then what Natty and Sati replied? "We thought you were lost. We missed you. We thought you were lost. We miss you," said Natty and Sati. So, the three friends hugged each other and ate honey. They were very happy. Natty and Sati found their friend. After that, they were very happy. And they hugged each other. And they ate honey. Okay, slurp, 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 slurp. They were eating honey. They were very happy. Together, they set off for home. Together, they went home. "That was quite an adventure," said Sati. What Sati is telling? That was quite an adventure. What is adventure? It was a wonderful experience. Okay. And Sati told to Party, "Make sure you don't go missing again." What Sati is telling to Party? Make sure you don't go missing again. This is the story. Do you like this story? My dear children, this story is from your Tales and Tunes textbook. The story is there in the page number 10. You can take your page number 10 to 19. The story is there. You can take this and you can read with the help of your parents. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Febina ma'am. Okay, see? Thank you, Febina ma'am. Okay. Have you enjoyed the story? What was the story about? Story about three friends. Story about three friends. And very nice story. There were many sounds in the story. Okay. How does we hear those sounds? Yes. We hear with our here. We hear with our here. Yeah. We can see with our eyes. We can hear with our ear. We can hear with our ear. And how do we smell? How do we smell? Yeah. With our nose. And with our nose. What's the spelling of nose? What's the spelling of nose? N O S E. Nose. What's the spelling of nose? N O S E. What's the spelling of nose? N O S E. Okay. Let me show you something. What is this? Powder. What is this? Powder. What is this? What's this? Perfume. Okay. And what is this? Flowers. What's this? Flowers. And what is this? Garlic. What is this? Garlic. What's this? Garlic. And what is this? See? What is this? Ginger. What is this? Ginger. Have you ever this smell? Have you ever this smell? You like this smell? You like this smell? You like this smell? You like this smell? Have you like this smell of flowers? Yes. Do you like the smell of soap, ginger, garlic and biryani? Flower? Yes. Yes, we like some smell and some smell we don't like. Okay, which one do you like? You like smell of perfume? Perfume? Yes. You like smell of flowers? Flowers? You like smell of powder and soap? Okay. We like this all smell. Pleasant smell means good smell. Good smell is pleasant smell. Good smell is pleasant smell. Okay. Which smell you doesn't like? That's unpleasant smell. Can you tell some unpleasant smell? I don't like. The smell is I don't like. You like this smell? You like this smell? Yes. But this is I like this one. I like this one. This is good smell is pleasant smell and bad smell is unpleasant smell. Okay? Good smell is pleasant smell and bad smell is unpleasant smell. Okay, how do we smell? Smell with our nose. Smell with our nose. How do we smell? Smell with our nose. What's the spelling of nose? What's the spelling of nose? Say N-O-S-E. N-O-S-E. Say loudly. All of you say with me. N-O-S-E. N-O-S-E. Okay. My dear, you have to practice in your EVS notebook. Then you have to write like this. First, you have to write the heading in your notebook, nose, and draw the picture. And downside, you have to write nose spelling, N-O-S-E. And down, you have to write very neatly and steady also. Okay. Okay. Let me show you one table. Okay. See? Yes. Yes, all of you look here. What is this? What is this? Okay. This is Pleasant smell. What is this? Pleasant smell. What is this? Pleasant smell. This one, unpleasant smell. Unpleasant smell. What is this pleasant smell? What is this pleasant smell? Yes, smell. Pleasant smell is good smell. Okay, good smell. Unpleasant smell is bad smell. You doesn't like, that is the bad, that is the unpleasant smell. Okay. Okay, my dear children, these things are pleasant things. These things are pleasant things. And these things are unpleasant things. These things are unpleasant things. See, these things are pleasant things. See, and flower pleasant smell, no? And soap, and perfume, powder. This is the pleasant things. Okay, these are pleasant things. These are pleasant things. Okay, this one unpleasant things. These are unpleasant things. Onion, garlic, ginger, and waste dustbin. Waste also unpleasant smell, no? Bad smell, no? That also unpleasant. Okay, my dear children, you have to draw like this the table in your EVS notebook, and to draw like this 2 columns, and you have to write heading pleasant smell and unpleasant smell. You have to write these things. Okay, pleasant, not these. Then which one is pleasant smell? That things you have to draw here, and the unpleasant things are you have to draw this side. Okay, my dear children, see you on next class. Bye. Dear parent, please be ready with the sugar, some sugar, salt, bitter gourd or neem leaf, and tamarind for next EVS class. Be ready with the next EVS class. Okay.